from. I mean, what an honor it is to be going on after them, but wow. Kind of like, yeah, I know, the stage is a little hot, but it's all right, we all just people. Anyway, what a beautiful night to be people, am I right? This one's called Happy to Know You. It's about happy to being knowing people and having friends. I know friends and happiness and sadness. But it's good for that. We need that more. Well, let's go walking around the park again. Tell me your story. We'll keep laughing and relaxing through the borders of history. Oh yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. See you. Come on and sit down by the fire. Happy to know you. It's been our one desire. So let's keep talking, let's keep joking as the flames go higher into the night. We'll keep joking, a merry token, and our dreams will grow higher. Right. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, 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 please. So come on and spin your democracy, Lord. You're just a begging to perceive you. So come on and weave your fairy tale. So sad to see you go, but I know you got to make your way back home. So sad to see you leave, but that's alright, I'll stay and tend to the trees. But let's keep writing, baby calling. You know that we'll never be apart. I know I'll call you if you do. Oh, Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Whoa. Everyone feeling the same way that, you know, the majority of us are feeling? That's a good sign. Happy birthday to Danielle walking out the door. By the way, she's, how old are you today? She's 21 today. So there you go. For the record, if you walk out the door during a birthday song, you don't get a birthday song.
Lesson learned here.
She's going to shock. We all have jobs, okay? How long is a birthday gonna happen? What, once a year? Shut up. She's only gonna have one 21st. Anyway, let's, we gotta... Mr. Nice Guy? All these beautiful souls out there smiling, vibing, I see it. Let's do, here's a cover for you. This is the one time we're trying to decide whether to do originals or a cover for you. So here we go with our one cover for the evening. Enjoy. It's by Dolly Parton. Just because you got your views beyond the man with the flaming on some marble and iris skin and iris of memory. Your breath is like a breath of spring. Your voice is soft like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Joe. Talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when she calls your name, Jolene. And I could easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you do not know what she means to me, Jolene. Jolene, Jolene. Jolene, Jolene, man, I love you, please don't take me. Jolene, 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 please don't take me just because you can. I'll have this talk with you, 'cause my happiness in